Hi there guys and gals. Here's a video of some of the indicators that you can find on TradingView that you can use to help you see when there is a reversal of the trend, a weakening or strengthening of momentum, which tells you when it is time to open, hold, or close a position. Confirm a change by comparing two or more indicators to see what the chart is telling you. Generally, a cross of an indicator is the signal to make a decision on what you should do next. A crossing of a candle fully across a moving average is an indication of a trend change. Although we are showing a 30 moving average, generally a 20 moving average is the default setting for indicators that have a moving average as part of their structure. The suggested setting for the indicators on this chart are shown at the top of the chart. Indicators can be set to your personal preference that you find works for you. Try these indicators with various time periods so you can get the big picture of what is happening now and what might happen next.